สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone, welcome back to MsYoo Thai cooking channel. And today I'm gonna show you all how to make Thai style meatball or Laab Moo Tod. It's really traditional Thai Eastern food. And let's get started. So I will use 500 grams of ground pork, shallot, crispy flour, chili powder, kaffir lime leaf, salt leaf coriander, dry chili, spring onion, cilantro, limes, coarse lettuce, cucumber, seasoning powder, roasted rice powder, and fish sauce. First, I will slice the shallots very nice and thinly, and then chop it into a very small pieces. To cooking Thai style meatball, it's not only just for fun, then to have a delicious dish, but you have to use both physical and mental strength. For Laab Moo Tod, we must put all of the ingredients and seasoning first. Now, I'm gonna slice green onion, cilantro, and salt leaf coriander into a very small piece. Laab is the like culture dish of Thailand. So, Laab is the main dish of Eastern people. Laab is very unique and kinda complicated to seasoning as well. Now, kaffir lime leaf is very important for this dish. Roll it tight before you slice, and slice it very thinly, and chop it into a very small piece. It smells so good, and essential oil from kaffir lime leaf. It can also make you relax as well. And I will use 2 lambs for this dish. And let's start the seasoning of laab. First, I will put 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of roasted rice powder, 1 teaspoon of seasoning powder, 4 tablespoons of crispy flour, 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, and lamb's juice. So I will use 2 lambs. And when it's done, mix it very well together. Now, let me tell you about roasted rice powder. It must have in laab or Thai style meatball. It's very important. If you don't put these ingredients, that is not Thai style meatball. It's not laab. And this is my tips to make a wonderful Thai style meatball. You must knead the ground pork together until it becomes sticky. And after that, mold the ground pork into a bowl. Mold it firmly so that it won't crack when you're frying. And mold it like this size, not too big, not too small. And slow down when you're molding. To eat delicious food, it might take a little bit longer. But trust me, you will be very happy when it's done. And here we go. Now, pour the cooking oil into the wok. Here we go. And wait until the oil is very hot first, and then put the meatball into the wok. To frying meatball is also important. You must put a lot of oil to make sure that when you put meatball in the wok, so the oil will cover all the meatball, like this. So do not stir the meatball in the beginning. Just let it set until other sides become brown, and then flip over to fry other sides again. And use the medium heat to fry the meatball. And keep frying until the meatball become all brown and golden. So, when the meatball is frying, it might have some foam, so skim the foams off. For nice and a beautiful meatball. And my meatball, it smells very incredible now. And my family very love this dish. And it's almost a Christmas now. This is a very good dish for the party. And I also will bring this dish to my family on the Christmas. And nothing's better than make the families happy. So don't be afraid to cook Thai recipe. If you guys have any question, please comment on the below section. And I promise you guys, I will respond back to every message. Now, the meatball is already done, so I will scoop it up. Golden brown, such a beautiful color. Next, put a dry chili and kaffir leaf into the wok and fry it until you can smell the flavors and then scoop it up. Done and gas off. Now, let's prepare the dish. Cut the stem of the course lettuce off and then put the course lettuce on the plate. Next, spring onion. Cut the roots of the spring onions off and then put the spring onion on the plate as well. Then cut the top and the bottom of the cucumber. Then cut the cucumbers for the small piece like this. And put the cilantro on the plate. Now, put the meatball on the plate. Put them all. The meatball is very crunchy. Such perfect Thai style meatball. Now, fry chili and kaffir leaf on the top. And all done with Laab Moo Tod, Thai style meatball. Smell incredible. God damn, I can't wait to try the heaven dish. So lovely. The Thai style meatball is already done. Now, I'm gonna show you how we eat. So I'm gonna eat with my sticky rice. The meatball is very crispy from outside and soft in inside. It's very delicious, wonderful flavor taste, sour and salty. And especially when you eat it with the vegetable and sticky rice. Oh my gosh. This is best ever meatball in the world. And I never get tired of making this dish. Alright guys, I hope you like this video and I hope this video was fun and helpful. If you like this video, please press like, press share, and don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel for more. I will see you again next video. Good luck. สวัสดีค่ะ